Have you ever wondered what a clapper is for? How could you use a clapper for your own benefit? I find it helpful for me when I'm filming myself teaching a class and also showing you the screen at the same time. I film the screen on my computer using Quicktime, and as soon as I start recording, I will use a clapper. This sound will also be recorded by Quicktime. On the files, the clapper sound is a high wave. It's pretty easy to recognize, so it will be easy for me to spot that moment on both videos, to later sync them on the timeline and later placing one on top of the other. So anytime that you film with two cameras, the clapper is going to help you sync them when you're editing. Does this sound complicated? It's not. Let's go to the editing bay and I will explain you how. So I'm going to show you step by step. First, I start recording my camera. I have the clapper ready and I go to QuickTime. It's going to ask me what I want to open. I don't want to. Cancel. I go to File, New Screen Recording. Make sure it says Record Entire Screen. Record. Remember, QuickTime is also going to record the audio. So it is going to hear my clapper. So I go. Now let's open Final Cut Pro. So over here, I have the example of me starting my video with a clapper and also showing you how QuickTime, my screen recording, recorded that sound of the clapper. So I'm going to sync them exactly where that sound is. Now I can put myself synced on the timeline. When I put two audios, you're going to listen to the same audio happening on both. Okay, so now that I'm done with this video, I am going to stop on the QuickTime and it's going to show me a little window with the video. And this is where I save it. And now with the file on your computer plus this video that you recorded yourself teaching, that's what you're going to sync together. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to comment on what you would like to see. Subscribe, like, and I will see you soon. Bye!